Both soft skill and hard skill can be learned, but soft skill is more tricky because you need practice, you need more awareness inside you. Soft skill is about building positive attitude and relationship within the people around you, and this can keep you within in the organization. Soft skill is beyond that. It's about living. It's not only you have to communicate in the workplace, but also you have also to communicate at your home, which your family also can benefit from your upgrading of the soft skills. Okay, why soft skill is important? According to the research conducted by Harvard University, at the workplace, 85% needed is actually soft skill, because the hard skills, the people will become master because that is their daily job. But the soft skill, they need to practice it. They need to embrace it within their organization. And 44%, this one also is research from the US also, saying that the biggest gap in the US workforce currently is about 44% on the soft skill. Okay, you can see the face and the look of the demotivated people, how they come to work. Usually Monday is always Monday's blues, right? People like dragging their leg to come to work. How many of you feel like this? No. May I know? Okay, it's supposed to be that if you come to work, you have to be like this. You have to be eager to come to work, to do the work. And of course, finally, the productivity will be increased. So, the role of the HR is actually, if you find your staff or your people is more like this, maybe you need to find out, to call for a counseling, and perhaps send them for a training. Okay, I want to show you for the future skills. Okay, this is the 2015 skill where now the quality control and maybe the active listening is dropped from the list. As you can see, the 2020 future skills here, it's more on creativity, more on EQ, and the future trend for 2030, as you can see, these are the 4 sets on the complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, and still they need the people skills. With the current scenario on the 4th industrial revolution or industry 4.0, even though there will be introduction of the robotics, machine, artificial intelligence, but we still need people. But during this time, people needed is more skill, more creativity, more innovation, because people is actually guide the robots to do other things. Okay, 35% of the current soft skill might be not relevant in another 5 years from now. So what we have to focus, maybe telling our children that they have to be more like this. So I think the current syllabus at the KSSR or secondary school, more to KBAT, I think is in line to be the people with the critical thinking and problem solving. Okay, these are the skills category. Okay, we have the fundamental skills, technical, management, leadership, and continuous improvement skills. The foundational skill is the fundamental of the organization to be exist. Like we have the policy, we have the vision, mission here. And the technical skill is how jobs to be done. And the management skills is actually comprised of the soft skill also. The management is how to synergize the resources, the technical skills and other operational resources to be work together. And the leadership is crucial in order to create the morale of the people to work harder, to work very motivationally to achieve the goals. And this one is critical also for the upcoming year, because this one is will create the situation with creative thinking, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. This will play the role. Okay, what do we have? The programs at SIRIM. These are all the elements that we have currently. We also cater for the manufacturing, who they have the at the manufacturing line. We also will cater for the teamwork, the attitude of the workers. Okay, why SIRIM? Because we have the consultant who is from industrial practitioners. They experience it, they have the success story, and they are able to answer your question, your problems that rise during your training. Okay? We use up-to-date module with the latest framework and tools, application focus for immediate implementation, and also we do customize the program. We also currently we run a public program, and also we do in-house program. I want to highlight, I think the other soft skill like communication, team building, EQ, I think is a normal that I think all of you are familiar with. But what I want to highlight here is on management and leadership programs that we are offering. Okay. We are focusing more on these three elements. Remember the one that I show you, the skills category? Okay, this is one of the courses that we offer is the world-class strategic business management skill development programs. We have 3 programs here. This is more on for the managerial and the top management. Like for the first one is more on the strategic planning. This one is the business operation, and this one how to meet the customer satisfaction. Okay. The next one will be the human resource management skill development programs. We have 4 programs here. There are some courses that we have 3-day program, and the remaining are 2 days program. Okay, we have the human resource management discipline. This one will cover the all spectrum of HR management, and this one is for more on talent and succession program. How you determine your people skills towards what, and then how you want to make a succession planning for your staff in order to retain and in order to let them to give to their fullest potential. Okay. So this one is more on the performance monitoring of the organization. And for this one is more to handling of difficult people. I think it is normal for any organization you will face this kind of problem, and we will come to you with the tools for you to use when you are dealing with this. Okay, this is the leadership program. Actually, this is only the 3 basic. There will be other than this, like productivity management, quality management, we will have that. But I want to highlight the 3 programs that currently we have. This one is more on personal leadership skills. It does not necessary that you are the head or the manager, you can attend this. It's actually to all people, executive and above. This one will calculate the attitude, the right attitude for you to be in your workplace and how you are going to interact with the people around you. This is more on awareness on you and how you have to be full control of yourself. This one. Okay. For the second one is the supervisory leadership skills. This one is talent. This is meant for someone who supervises the team. It means that they have to manage the team to achieve the objective. So this one will be given the tools also how you are going to manage. And the last one is on the managerial leadership. This is meant for someone with the position as a manager or head. Then this is the recommended course. So what we will learn is actually the skill learned here is the leadership framework, goals clarity, character maturity, knowledge, skill competency, problem solving, and also implementation communication intelligence. Okay, and another one, in order for the organization to stay relevant, to sustain, you need this because okay, the first one is dealing with the continuous improvement program where you will inculcate the culture of giving the new ideas, implement the new innovation in your organization. Okay, this one also the mind mapping application for creative problem solving. These are all the programs, the skill that is needed after 2020 onwards. And this one is more on project management. How effectively you want to manage your project to meeting the deadline to achieve your objective. And this one is you have trouble project. This program will teach you how to troubleshoot and what the action you need to take. Okay, all these are the frameworks and tools taught in leadership and management skill development. There are a lot of tools here, as you can see. And this will be teach to you, and then you will immediately can use it and bring back to your organization to use. Okay, this is the first slide, all the tools. Okay, this is the second slide to show you on the tools, the framework that you will gain. Okay, the last one is this one. And the final one is you will come up with the A3 action planning chart. All this will be done during the training session. Okay, another one that I want to introduce is on the coaching. If all of you are equipped with the tools, the next step you should go is on coaching. This is meant for leaders. Leaders is actually, all of us are leaders because we are leaders at work and we are also leaders at the society, we are leaders at the family also. Okay, so a recent study published in the Harvard Business Review shows that majority of manager, they act like a consultant or maybe they give a direction, but they are not becoming a coach. A coach is someone who really is actually motivates the staff, show a way how to do things, and the staff will be actually carry out the task and they will find a good solution. That is actually coaching, what is coaching will do. Leaders is actually should empower their people to their fullest potential, and then they will give the best solution to achieve any task or objective. Okay, why coaching works? 99% are satisfied with the coaching methods. Okay, from the training, this 2 days training, tools will be equipped to the participant on the coaching method by our expert. Our expert are certified with International Coach Federation. So the coaching is not only workable for us during the workplace, but it also can be applied for our family. When you are dealing with your children, coaching is actually the best way